Hello everyone. Today we will going to discuss about English grammar, and we start about English grammar, that what is English grammar, and in the English grammar we discuss the first chapter of this book, and that is sentence. What is sentence? What is the importance of sentence, and why we use sentence in the English grammar and every other fields of English. In this lecture we discuss about sentence. What is sentence? When we speak or write, we use words. When we speak or write, we use words. We generally use these words in groups. As example of the sentence is that little pig horner sat in a corner. A group of words like this which makes complete sense is called a sentence. A group of words which make a complete sense, which make a complete thought is called sentence. Kinds of sentence. Here are mainly four types and four kinds of sentence. The first one is those which make a statement or assertion. Those which make statement or assertion. In this sentence, we make statement or assertion. Example of this type of sentence is that Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Uh, Type B, type 2. Those which ask a question. As example of this is where do you live? This in this type of sentence we ask question from other person that what is your name? Where are you doing? What are you going? These are all types of sentences called in this sentence we ask a question. The third type of sentence is those which express commands, requests, or entities. As example of this is be quiet, have mercy upon us. In this sentence, we express commands on someone, we request to someone or any others. The last type of sentence is there those which express strong feelings. Example of this type of sentence, how cold the night is, what a shame. This type of sentence, we express our strong feeling, we express our emotions. The first type of sentence which makes statement or assertion is called declarative sentence or assertive sentence. In the first type of sentence, we make statement, we make assertion. In this type of sentence is called declarative sentence or assertive sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative sentence. In this type of sentence, we ask question, and in this type of sentence is called interrogative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command or an entity is called imperative sentence, and a sentence that expresses strong feeling is an exclamatory sentence. In this type of sentence, we express our strong feeling, and this is called exclamatory sentence. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. In this cartoon image, you see this that this type of sentence is called declarative or assertive sentence. And where do you live? This is interrogative sentence. Be quiet is a strong feeling. In this type of sentence is called exclamatory sentence. How cold the night is also a exclamatory sentence. So this is a sentence and kinds of sentence. First of all, what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words which make a complete thought or complete sense is called sentence. And there are mainly four types of sentence. First is declarative or assertive sentence. The second is interrogative sentence. The third is imperative sentence. And last but not the least is exclamatory sentence. What is subject and what is predicate? This is the second topic, and it is also related to the sentence. What is subject and what is predicate? When we make a sentence contains two parts. One is subject and the other is predicate, and these are also very important in the sentence. We name some person or things. In sentence, two parts. We name some person or thing and say something about that person or thing. In other words, we must have a subject to speak about, and we must say or predicate something about that subject. Hence, every sentence has two parts. Every sentence contains two parts. The part which name the person or thing we are speaking about. This is called the subject of the sentence. And the part which tells something about the subject, this is called the predicate of the sentence. In sentence, mainly two parts. The first is subject and the other is predicate. The subject of a sentence usually comes first. Subject is present in the first part of the sentence, but occasionally it is put after the predicate. Example of this type is, here comes the bus. Sweet are the uses of adversity. Here comes the bus. In this type of sentence, the bus is subject and here come is the predicate, but bus is a subject and it is occasionally put after the predicate. Sweet are the uses of adversity. In imperative sentence, the subject is left out. This is very important point. You can remember, you must remember this type and this point. Sit down. Here the subject you is understood. Thank him. Here too the subject you is understood. You must remember this point in exclamatory. In imperative sentence, this is very important for us. In this type, this is exercise. In grammar, you can find the subject, the predicate, as well as in this type of exercise, you must separate the subject and predicate and write it in the comment section. This is a 27 sentence and you must separate the subject and the predicate from everyone and it write in the comment section. But after these all we will solve in the next lecture, but you write in the comment section, separate this which one is subject and which one is predicate. The second topic is phrase and clause. What is phrase and what is clause? Examine the group of words in a corner. It makes sense but not complete sense. A group of words which make sense but not complete sense, this is called phrase. Such a group of words which make sense but not complete sense is called phrase. Phrase is those words which make sense but not complete sense. In the following sentences, the group of words in bold are phrases. In this type of sentence, the bold words are called what phrases? The sun rises in the east. In this sentence, in the east is phrase. In the east, this type don't give best meaning. That's why it is phrase. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. In this type of sentence, on a wall is phrase. Dear, come again to my door. To my door is a phrase. It was a sunset of great beauty. Of great beauty is a phrase in this sentence. The top of the mountains were covered with snow. In this type of sentence, of the mountain is a phrase. Show me how do it. How do it in this sentence is phrase. Examine the group of words in bold in the following sentence. He has a chain of gold. He has a chain which is made of gold. Which is made of gold. We recognize the first group of words are phrase. The second group of words, unlike the phrase of gold, contain a subject and predicate. Such a group of words which form a part of sentence and contain a subject and a predicate is called clause. In simple, what is the difference between phrase and clause? Phrase gives sense but not complete sense, and clause gives sense but complete sense. In the clause, subject, predicate, all are present, but in phrase, these are not present in the phrase. In the following sentence, the group of words in bold are clauses. People who pay their debts are trusted. In this type of sentence, who pay their debts, these are clause. We cannot start while it is raining. While it is raining is clause. I think that you have made a mistake. Have made a mistake is a clause in this sentence. These all about sentence. If you have any question or any problem, you can ask in the comment section. I give answer of this, and in the next lecture we discuss the exercise of the subject and predicate and also start parts of speech. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel and share it to our fellows. This is very important for us and everyone. Thank you.